clung to Hawkeye's. It was Hank Pym who buzzed into.
Here we are. We have Agatha Harkness. We have Red Skull, Green Goblin, Sabretooth, X-24. All have been summoned here. What do you want from us? I don't want anything. I want you to help me kill what's left of the Avengers. Here are all the heroes left. Many are left. Many of them are new heroes. Old heroes still exist. But the main big hero. But here's a bit. Hawkeye's coming. He's here to investigate something. Sightings of us. There's one lad, man. We also got an outrider. We also got one outrider. Well, one of the who actually is much more sentient than every other outrider.
Yes!
He works for Thanos. Back when the outriders weren't all wiped out. Back when the Avengers avenged them or something, I don't know. Back when the Avengers avenged them. But the Avengers have disbanded. There hasn't been many. The Avengers haven't assembled since. They're very expendable. There's actually 6 left. They're very expendable. They're actually not very expendable, but expendable enough, bro. He's dead. Now it's all 6 of them left. They're not. We've killed Hawkeye. We have Red Skull finished the job. And who are you? The name's Ross. Thunderbolt Ross. I'm gonna make the Thunderbolts. Thunderbolts. Wait, no. Thunderbolts. This is part of a new series called The Dark Heroes. He must have a skull. So a scroll. He calls himself the Chameleon. We also nicknamed them zombies. He called himself the Chameleon. Chameleon. Will Ross. I'm the one who also hunted lions.
Yes!
I don't understand your language. Oh God! Oh God! No, you can't tell me off. I created you. Thanks, my fellow green man. I'm green, dabba-dee, dabba-dee, green, dabba-dee, 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 nuts. I'm green, dabba-dee, 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 ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I remember that song. I'm green, dabba boy. I'm a green, dabba boy. That song. It seems like I've been called. Because it says that Mr. Bolt has been arrested. And I'm the new owner of the Thunderbolts. I joined myself. This is the Thunderbolts. We've killed Hawkeye. There's one other woman. What happened to Agatha? She left. But we also have someone who calls herself the Witch.
Yes!
You've taken everything from me, Agatha. You killed you.
It can't be.
Where are all of them? Yo! Man! Did you teleport on the ground or something? That's good. There can be 3 of me. I use cat magic. There can be 4 of me at once!
Fight, you fool!
For now.